we can see today, it was built by the king Seti first, the father of Ramses II or Ramses the Great. But does mean this was the first king building over here? No, actually it was even an older place over here. Back to a time nobody knows, and we think that this is the time the companions of Horus. But later on, when the king Seti first came over here, he wanted to immortalize the idea of Osiris, or worshipping the Osiris, the god of afterlife and the god of paradise, and they started to build a temple here, which is kept in a very good condition. You see, it's a very colorful place. You will see the figures of your beautiful gods and the goddesses over here. You are going to see beautiful scenes of Horus, beautiful scenes of Thoth, of Sekhmet, of Osiris, of Isis, many Hathor, many actually gods and the goddesses still in a good condition. I mean, they are figures in the wall. So if you have a favorite one, please let me know and I will show your favorite one, okay? Because all gods and the goddesses are here and still in a very good condition that you can take a good chance for these ones. And you feel, once we get in, you feel the energy and the power of this place, okay? Let's go.